Yep, 4th of July. It's raining. My flag is wet. But I didn't bring my cane out, and if I slip, I don't want to have to get off another floor this morning. So, I wonder if Independence will have their fireworks today. My cucumbers are doing well. It's the only plant I have. Well, I threw some beans in there. I want to get beans to grow, but I was going to go back and get more dirt this morning, but it's raining. My window was open this morning. The screen was open, and I had a kitten, a year-old, half in and half out of the window. Now I'm missing the mama kitty that I picked up to save so that her kittens could be born inside. I hope she's inside. I hope she's hiding. I just don't know where. She's not under the bed. And that's where I'd go if I was going to have babies. You know, multiple babies under a bed. So I guess I was going to go inside. I wanted to hear another thunder crack. But all you get is rain. Looks sort of cool. The river is so high from the last time we had all this rain. Now, I'm sure there are places that the farmers had to replant. The tree is beautiful back here. It's great having friends. Friends are great. Friends will keep an eye out for people you have missing. And my yard will be mowed again this week. I don't want it to keep up with the neighbors. I want it to look nice. So I'm going to go inside. I have cereal waiting for me in the back room. I feel just horrible. I don't know where she is. So maybe she'll turn up. 4th of July in Quasqueton, Iowa.